Hello, I'm Dr. James Striano, chiropractor and clinical nutritionist of Hudson Valley Chiropractic and Nutrition Office here in Yonkers. I'm here today to talk to you about our clinical nutrition or our nutrition program. As a traditional nutritionist, I would go through a consultation, case history, look at your blood work, varied other tests, and then determine what nutritional supplement, what diet is necessary. And how do I know that's going to work? Well, I'm taking an educated guess. Now, instead of taking an educated guess, I use a very special muscle testing program that was developed and patented by Dr. Yoshiaki Omura. He received a patent in 1993 to image and diagnose the internal organs. I don't diagnose because I'm not an MD, but I use the same testing procedure to determine your body telling me what's not working right, why, and what does it take to fix. The testing procedure goes through the autonomic nervous system so that it is not an energetic muscle testing procedure. You'll hear about applied kinesiology or straight muscle testing. That's testing energy. Your energy changes moment to moment, so you're not going to get an accurate or reproducible result with your energetic testing. Dr. Omura found that by going direct through the autonomic nervous system, you get a reproducible result. Now, Dr. Freddie Ulan then took Dr. Omura's program and modified it into what he calls the Nutritional Testing Program, or NRT, Nutritional Testing Response Testing. So using that program, your body is going to tell me what's not working right, why, and what's to take to fix. Now we look at, for nutrition, to the digestive system for entry to the body for varied supplements or vitamins or the body's building blocks, which are proteins, carbohydrates, and your fatty acids. So looking at the digestive system from mouth to other end is basically a giant tube that separates the outside from the inside environment. So that something is in your mouth, in your stomach, or in your intestines, it's really outside the body. In order to get the nutrition into the body, you have to absorb through the membrane to the bloodstream to the body parts. The membrane have folds called convolutions that increases the surface area, and on the folds are filaments called villi. In the villi live your good bacteria, probiotics, that helps your body absorb. Also the enzymes are in there, and that also helps the body absorb to bring it across the membrane. Now when the good bacteria break down, the bad ones or yeast can flourish, and that will block the absorption of the nutrients. At the same time, it'll prevent the liver from getting the toxins out. So the toxins stay in and the good nutrients stay out. That could lead to tissue breakdown, degenerative changes, etc. When you have the toxic buildup in the bloodstream, the body releases antibodies against the toxins, and they call that allergies. When it goes into the joints, they call it arthritis. It goes in the muscles, they call it myalgia or fibromyalgia. In the brain, they'll call it brain fog. So where is the cause of these? We look to nutrition, because if we understand any health condition is caused by one of three stresses: physical, chemical, or emotional. Now, biochemical stress are poisons, toxins, pollutants, pathogens, bacteria, virus, fungus, yeast, that can invade the body. Now, when it invades the body, that can cause tissue breakdown, further buildup of toxins, and eventually lead to sickness and disease. So we don't treat the sickness and disease, we treat, or we look to the breakdown to remove the breakdown. What organ is in function properly, and what does it take to return that organ back to normal function? Now we'll do both the testing, we do a live cell microscope, we look at the condition of the blood cells, we look at your blood work that you've previously had, if necessary send you out for more. So we do a complete biochemical analysis of the body, then we go through and we test every organ and system of the body to find out which one isn't functioning. Similar to a car that needs a tune-up, it may be working but not working properly. We need to identify what is the cause, not how do we treat the symptom. So for instance, if you have GERDs, gastric reflux, what's causing the GERDs? We can give you Prilosec that gets rid of the GERD, but it doesn't get your body healthy. High blood pressure pills don't get your body healthy, it just brings your body back to normal stasis. We need to find out what the cause of these are remove that, support the body regaining its health, and put you on a path to having proper health and life function. And again, thank you very much. If you have any questions or need to ask me anything, please contact me through the website, over the telephone. We're more than happy to help you with anything we can. Have a great day.